Ka-52K of the Russian Air Force equipped with the EurAsian system. In the movie are visible one of the L-372U sensors, the two L-418-5IR jammers. Just in front of the main landing gear and the UV-26 countermeasures dispensers on the wingtip. According to the Russians, the EurAsian Kal-370 in its complete configuration is designed to protect an aircraft from both IR and radar-guided missiles, which can be tracked within a radius of several hundred kilometers. The EurAsian is actually a modular system with components installed both inside the aircraft or on external attachment points. The Ka-52 version feature L-150 sensors in the tail, L-140 and L-372 sensors in both the nose and tail, two L-375 jammers just in front of the main landing gear and UV-26 dispensers in the wingtips. The L-375 jammers are being replaced on new aircraft by the L-418-5 jammer. The main visible difference is a round versus square sensor in the turret. EurAsian currently equips almost all the helicopters in the Russian Air Force.